there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Almost nothing about the Google Pixel 4 is a mystery at this point, and a new series of leaks confirm many of the features that we've been expecting to see on Google's next mid-range phone. A recent set of newly leaked images of the Pixel 4 give us a good sense of what the company's next affordable flagship will look like, while detailing some subtle but welcome changes over the Pixel 3a. A series of images from leak account TechDroider shows the Pixel 4 in all of its glory, complete with the fingerprint sensor and larger camera bump we've been seeing in recent trenders and leaks. It also looks as though the headphone jack is retained again, according to these pictures, a feature which the Pixel 4 doesn't have. It looks as though the phone makes do with a single rear camera, however. It does seem clear that a Pixel 4 mid-range phone is on the way, though we haven't heard much about it in terms of design and specs up to this point. The rumors are that it won't be joined by a larger XL version this time around. Usually we'd expect the phone to get its official unveiling at the Google I/O Developer Conference, but this year's show has been cancelled, at least in its physical form, due to concerns over the spread of the coronavirus. Nevertheless, expect the Pixel 4 to see the light of day at some point in May, quite possibly looking like these images suggest. We will of course keep you posted on any new leaks and rumors that come our way too. You can see the punch hole notch that holds the front-facing camera. The Pixel 4 embedded it in the top bezel, while the fingerprint sensor makes a return on the back of the phone. The Pixel 4 ditched the fingerprint lock for a face unlock system. And that's it guys. If you enjoy such tech-related leaks and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I will be updating you with such news. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.